Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the updated process of changing Discord accounts on your Android device. Whether you have multiple accounts for different communities or just want to switch things up, it's super easy to do. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Discord app open on your Android device. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log into your current account. Next, look down to the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Give it a tap. This is where you can access all your account settings. Now, once you're in, find the option that says Switch Account. When you tap on that, you'll be presented with a list of your linked accounts. Simply select the one you want to use and voila, you're switched over. It really is that simple. In just a few taps, you can switch between your Discord accounts and stay connected with all your friends and communities. No more logging out and back in. Just a smooth transition at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on how to get the most out of your Discord experience. Thanks for watching.